everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am doing this bright purple lips with this bold eyeliner. And if you want to see the products I used and how I use them, then just keep on watching. By the way, don't forget about my giveaway I have going on. I posted that giveaway video December 27th, and you have all the way till January 26th to enter that 2K giveaway of mine. I will have the link to that giveaway in my description box below, and I will also have an end card at the end of this video. Alright, so I'm starting off with the Wet n Wild foundation, the Shea Moisture Macadamia Oil, and the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, and I'm mixing them together to make the perfect foundation combo. And then I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder, and I'm just going to set the whole face with that. And then I'm going to go in with my Zodiac Kathleen Lights ColourPop Collaboration eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this Libra color, and I'm pretty much going to go a little bit above my crease and then just blend it out. Then I'm going to be mixing the Capricorn eyeshadow color, that black. It goes to a matte black, the glitter falls out, and I'm mixing it with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm going in with a eyeliner brush to make the perfect black eyeliner, since I am currently out in my collection right now. Then I'm going in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes with this. Going back into the Zodiac palette, I'm going to be doing my brows with the Virgo color. And then I'm going into my Revolution blush palette, and I'm going to be using that blush you see right here just to do my blush. And I'm also going to be doing my highlighter with this palette. And I'm going to be putting that on my high points of my face to highlight. Then I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster and going to bronze up my face. Then I'm going in with the Glossier Wowder, and I'm going to basically chisel out. That way it looks like I have the best contour I could have. It just helps, you know, make the whole look good. And then I'm just dusting it off with a powder brush. And then I forgot to show it, but I'm going in with the Smashbox Pucker Up Lip Palette, and I'm using the color Violet Riot. Everything's going to be listed in my description box, but then I'm going in with the Morphe setting spray just to set the entire face, and then I'm done. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you loved my bright purple lips with my bold winged liner. Don't forget about that giveaway I have. I posted it December 27th, and you have all the way till January 26th to enter that 2K giveaway. And I have it linked in my description box below, and I also have it at the end of this video on an end card. That way it's really easy to click. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!